बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जी, मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में 3 जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी। 2 जॉब्स हैं कराची वालों के लिए, आईबीए की और एक बैंक की जॉब है, और एक जॉब है इस्लामाबाद वालों के लिए। तो पहली जॉब है ज़रई तरक्याती बैंक लिमिटेड करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, और ये जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे दिसंबर 10, 2023 के अखबार में। अच्छा, द इंडिविजुअल्स हु फुलफिल द बिलो मेंशन्ड बेसिक एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में अप्लाई फॉर द फॉलोइंग रेगुलर पोजीशंस फॉर ट्रेजरी बैक ऑफिस कराची। पोजीशन एवीपी असिस्टेंट मैनेजर मनी मार्केट सेटलमेंट, नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 8 years, post qualification experience of working in financial institutions with 6 years exclusively in treasury settlement, qualification bachelor's degree from HEC recognized university or equivalent HEC recognized qualifications, age limit up to 50 years bracket as on closing date to apply bracket close, officer grade 2 ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है मनी मार्केट सेटलमेंट, नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 3 years पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन सेटलमेंट, क्वालिफिकेशन बैचलर्स डिग्री फ्रॉम HEC रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी और इक्विवेलेंट HEC रिकग्नाइज्ड क्वालिफिकेशंस, एज लिमिट अप टू 35 years ब्रैकेट एज ऑन क्लोजिंग डेट टू अप्लाई ब्रैकेट क्लोज। अच्छा, आउटलाइन ऑफ मेन ड्यूटीज / जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़। द पोजीशन रिपोर्ट्स डायरेक्टली टू हेड ऑफ सेटलमेंट एंड इट्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सेटलमेंट एंड अकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ट्रेजरी मनी मार्केट डील्स, हैंडलिंग RTGS एंड ट्रस्ट सिस्टम एक्टिविटी अंडर 4I प्रिंसिपल, रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ब्लॉटर मैनेजमेंट एंड इट्स रिकन्सिलिएशन विद ए ट्रेजरी फ्रंट ऑफिस, responsible for bank accounts reconciliation and management of vouchers, advices, deals, checks of SBP and other banks, responsible for DAP, MMCRS and other reporting, supervising NFT clearing and coordination with head office clearing branch, monitoring investment position, outstanding call, borrowing and lending and placement position on regular basis, any other work assigned time to time, other skills / expertise, skills of MS Office and English writing skills, excellent communication, analytical, interpersonal adaptability and teamwork skills. The position reports to assistant। अच्छा, ऑफिसर ग्रेड 2 की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं। Officer grade 2 money market settlement. The position reports to assistant manager settlement and it's responsible for settlement and accounting of treasury money market deals, handling RTGS and trust system activity, responsible for broader management। ये जो ऊपर है मेरे ख्याल से वही है सारी, हाँ सारी यही लग रही है मुझे, तो बस थोड़ी सी चेंज है, ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। Responsible for blotter management and its reconciliation, responsible for bank accounts reconciliation, voucher and active management voucher advices, deals, checks of SBP and other banks, regulatory and other reporting, any other work assigned time to time, other skills / expertise, understanding of banking and finance along with treasury knowledge, MS Office and English writing skills, interpersonal adaptability and teamwork skills, how to apply। Interested candidates may apply online through website https://ztbl.rosie.pk, ztbl.rosie.pk and https://www.ztbl.com.pk/jobs till 24th December 2023. Applications received after due date will not be considered. Not EA/TA shall be admissible for interview. We offer competitive remuneration package. geared towards attracting best talent in the market. Dual nationality holders are not eligible to apply for the post. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. We are an equal opportunity employer. Females are encouraged to apply. For any related query, please call at 051 111 687 222, 051 111 687 222 or email on info@ots.org.pk. email on info@ots.org.pk. जी अब ये IBA की जॉब है, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी. The Institute of Business Administration IBA Karachi seeks applications from dynamic and result-oriented individuals for the following full-time positions: Senior Executive Business Review, Senior Executive ICT Digital IBA bracket में लिखा हुआ है 2 positions. For a detailed job description, please visit our career page https://careers.iba.edu.pk. Interested candidates must apply online within 15 days from publication date of this advertisement. The IBA Karachi is an equal opportunity employer and all applications are assessed based on merit. Differently abled individuals are also encouraged to apply. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted for an interview. We encourage women to apply. Human Resources Department, Institute of Business Administration, University Road, Karachi, UN 111422 111422. ये है वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ वाइस चांसलर. फेडरल उर्दू यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ आर्ट्स, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. The search committee is inviting applications/nominations bracket from members of civil society, professionals, scholars, etc. of highly motivated candidates having strong leadership and administrative skills for the position of the Vice Chancellor. Federal Urdu University of Arts, Science and Technology FWAST. A responsibilities: the Vice Chancellor is the Chief Executive Officer of the university and oversees academic, research and administrative matters and mobilizes academic and financial resources. ये आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का, ठीक है. The Vice Chancellor is expected to demonstrate a deep understanding of higher education issues. अच्छा, B है position requirements. The applicant/nominee should A. Not be more than 65 years of age on the last date of submission of application. B. Have a PhD degree from an HEC recognized or UNESCO listed institution. Number C. Have at least 20 years of overall experience in academics, administration and/or research from HEC recognized or renowned national/international institutions or organization. D. Possess distinguished research and publications record. C है terms of appointment. The Vice Chancellor shall be appointed by the Chancellor on the basis of the recommendations made by the Senate for a tenure bracket में लिखा हुआ है renewable of 5 years as provided in FWAST Act on such terms and conditions and salary package as prescribed by the relevant statutes and recommendations. D. Other considerations. The candidates already in government/semi-government services are required to apply through the proper channel. The search committee has the right to reject any application without assigning any reason which may not be challenged in court. E. Application. Eligible candidates capable of taking up this challenging position may apply online at https://careers.hec.gov.pk or FWAST website https://fwast.edu.pk along with the inverted commas में लिखा हुआ है strategic plan to reform the university. of not more than 500 words latest by December 29, 2023. Any nomination along with the nominees. Concurrence and detailed resume may be shared at csc@hec.gov.pk. csc@hec.gov.pk. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for an interview. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for an interview for which no TA/DA will be admissible. For any query, please contact email stup_careers@hec.gov.pk. stup_careers@hec.gov.pk. Contact number 0519040244, 0519040244. कन्वीनियर सर्च कमेटी ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ FWAST अंडर ब्रैकेट FWAST ब्रैकेट क्लोज HGC इस्लामाबाद. हायर एजुकेशन कमीशन सेक्टर H9 इस्लामाबाद. जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.